Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here in Axiom Pro. So what you're going to do right here is we are here at perpetuals and we want to create ourselves a stop loss order. So what we're going to do right here is select right here which one we want to trade. So let's say we want to trade the symbol Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. Then we go right here to this order type where we can decide if you want to do a long or a short position. So for now, long is fine. Fill in right here how much we want to buy. So everything is in USDC. So if you don't have that standing on your account, make sure that you convert your Solana to USDC. Then select right here for how much you want to buy. And then we click right here on TP and SL. That means take profit and stop loss. And then we go right here to SL price. So right now we can fill in right here the stop loss price. So Bitcoin is now at 67K. So let's say when he will hit 60K, we fill it in right there. And then you can click right here to create yourselves the position. I don't have any Solana standing on this account, so that is why I can't fill in right here the stop loss price, because first of all I need 2 funds to create myself a position. So this is how you can stop loss right here on Axiom Pro. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.